Welcome to Bus Shower Thoughts. So now what you are looking at right here is the wall for our Skoolie shower. This was put up over the weekend and it was quite hot for recording. It was like 105 to 110, but it's still quite hot, so I wanted to make this quick and sweet. But here is the shower. I put in a nice skylight. It's a Rec Pro 14 by 22 inch skylight. It is to give us a little extra headspace while showering. So this right here is the wall closest to the back of the bus. This is the back wall for the shower. And over here is the other wall towards the front of the bus. The shower is a total of 3.5 feet wide and 3 feet deep. We're gonna do plumbing on the side towards the bed or the back of the bus. We're using our 1/2-inch PEX water lines and some nice and easy shower head. This is our shower head. This is what it looks like. It is brushed nickel, completely plastic, lightweight. This is what we're gonna use as our shower head. It also comes with a hose line that connects and goes to your mixer valves. I will link that down below, and once I install it, I will do a review. Make sure to subscribe for that video. All the products that I usually show are down below, so make sure to check it out. So moving over, this is kind of how this space is gonna go. Refrigerator is gonna go here. A lot of this stuff is pretty much in where it needs to be. These are where the seats are gonna go. This is our seating area. And you have another seat over there, which looks like this. You can sit here, or you can sit over here, and it's quite nice. Now we are planning on making this seating area turn into some sort of a couch. So the back of this seat and the back of that other seat is 5'9", but it is great for a couch. And that's kind of what we have going on. Now an update on the kitchen. A while back, I had trouble with this box for the refrigerator, and this shelf up here was slouching down a little bit. I raised it, cut a new notch, and now it is good. The refrigerator fits in there and it's perfect. All right, so I put the notch into the top of the cabinet, lifted up by pretty much like, I want to say like over 1/4 inch. So I know this is a little bit of a shorter video than the last few, so definitely check those in my YouTube channel, and I will hope to see you when I build this shower.